Good afternoon and welcome to this vlog. It is 2 days after Christmas, so the 27th today, and we napped my daughter, who is my 9-month, nearly 10-month-old daughter. She literally turns 10 months tomorrow, which is so exciting. And tonight we are going to the cricket for something different, and this is Aaliyah's first time at the cricket. We'll see how we go because it does fall kind of at the start of her bedtime, so hopefully she just falls straight asleep when we are on the way home. But today we have received some packages, which I am so excited about. I had ordered back in November and was hoping that it was going to arrive before Christmas. A soft play set for my baby, and it is from the Playtime store. It is so pretty. It comes in a white color and it is made out of eco leather so that it's easy to clean, but we are going to set that up today. But the only space that we can kind of fit this new play area for Aaliyah is where our dining currently is. We're gonna clear that space. We also have the Christmas tree still up, so we'll get rid of the Christmas tree now that Christmas is over. We'll move our dining area to a different space in our living room / kitchen area, and we'll set up a little play area for Aaliyah. We did order a playpen as well, but that's not arriving until January, so that we have a playpen not only for safe play for her when we're home, but also ready for her first birthday party that's coming up at the end of February for all her little baby friends to play with. Anyway, today we are going to set up the soft play set, get rid of the Christmas tree, and then it's cricket tonight. I think it's the beads and the lights. Now that we have moved the safe playmat into the new area where we are going to set up Aaliyah's play area, we are now going to unbox the new play set from Playtime store, and I am so excited to see what they look like. Yay! Love it. Let's see the cedar. Oh, she's gonna love it. that one goes together.
Bigger house.
This over here.
So we can sit.
Yes, right in the middle.
Where's Mama?
We are leaving cricket. Ellie and I are heading home so that she can go to bed at a decent time. Dan is going to stay with our friends and he'll get dropped off later. Yay! I am back home and I have just put Leah to bed after we've gotten back home and gave her a dream feed just to help stretch out her sleep. Hopefully she gives us 8 hours, but she is a really good night sleeper, so we are very blessed to have a baby that sleeps good. The only times that she has woken up earlier than 8 hours is if she is teething badly or if she's unwell, but I think she is okay. So hopefully she sleeps good. I am just watching cricket at home. Dan is still at the stadium and I am doing a little bit of editing before bed. I am going to end this vlog with a bit of footage that I'm going to take tomorrow morning of Leah playing with her new soft play set. We set everything up during Leah's big nap, and pretty much when she woke up it was when I had to quickly feed her and then we had to quickly rush to cricket. We didn't get to really surprise her with her new play area, and so we're going to do that first thing in the morning, show her how to use it, and I know that she's going to be so excited because she's been wanting to climb everything and she's at the age now where she's just wanting to pull herself up, and so we're just getting some glimpses of her wanting to walk, which is so exciting, but also as a parent you just want her to be safe. So I'm excited about the soft play set, teaching her all of the skills that she needs to be able to stand up and to crawl up things and crawl down things and And yeah, so I can't wait, but I will end this vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed today, and I'll see you in the next one. Good morning. Are you ready to see your new play area? You should have seen her when we walked past. Her face was like, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. You ready to explore?